Hi everybody, welcome to the video. Surprise of the day. Today we have a Sable cordless rechargeable neck and shoulder
Shiatsu massager.
So let's open it up. Let's see. We got the massager. This is how it looks like. We also got this user guide to show you how to use it. Happy with your purchase? Free 18 months warranty extension. Of course, we have the regular charger. So this is an AC charger. How does it look like inside? Inside, like this. Actually, it's like this. Wow, it's very smooth. You put your arms in here, and this is the on button. This is the heat. Change direction. This intensity. Wow, it's really strong, this one. And this off button. Okay. So you put your arms in here. Let's take a look over here. The cloth is very smooth on this one. It has zipper lining over here. You can see all the zipper lining. Zipper probably goes in here. This is the part that you plug the charger part in. And that's the unboxing video of another massager, neck and shoulder massager.
Okay folks, I thought I'd add some pros and cons as well to help you all out. Pro is basically it's very portable. This one is relatively inexpensive compared to the higher end ones and work just as well. It's great for the neck and shoulder, and it's once charged you could go anywhere. Portable, doesn't need a charge. Con is basically if you want the heat feeling, definitely you need to plug it in to get the warm heat feeling. And also the warranty setup is not very simple, but I still think it's worth buying, so I would recommend it.
I would appreciate a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye.